Why do 70% of bar enthusiasts secretly wish their pets could join them for a drink? Imagine this, your best friend Rover the Bulldog, chilling next to a cold brew. Or Max the Cat, casually toasting with a whiskey glass. The fun doesn't stop there. Ever seen a raccoon with a soda can? It's like they're saying, cheers to the wildlife. And don't get me started on parrots with pint glasses. Talk about a bird-brained idea. These furry drinking buddies are making happy hour even happier. Because who wouldn't want to share a drink with a dog and a cowboy hat? So next time you're at the bar, raise a glass to your new favorite drinking pals. Just remember, they're here for the laughs, not the lager. Hit that like button if you toast with a turtle. And subscribe for more critter cocktails. Cheers.